Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I want to show you guys what I'm using on my hair today. It's this Design Essentials Styling Mousse. Now, what I love about this styling mousse is how defined it makes my waves and my curls. So I usually use this as a kind of a thin moisturizer or foam to put in my hair to keep it moisturized, but also to keep it in place because it does have a medium hold. So this is what it looks like. So just foam, and I like to just lather it into my hair, and then I can pull it all back and style it and put it in a ponytail, or if I'm doing rollers, I can put this in my hair before rollers. But it's super easy to use. You can use it on pretty much any style that you're wearing, and it smells great and it leaves my hair feeling nice and soft, but also defined and really shiny. So I highly recommend it if you're looking for a really good mousse, and that's my point of view.